the speech that changed history, without a single act of violence. On August 28, 1963, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. stood at the Lincoln Memorial and spoke to a crowd of over 250,000 people. His message: hope, justice, equality. In his powerful speech, "I Have a Dream," he shared a vision where people wouldn't be judged by their skin color, but by the content of their character. He spoke against racism, segregation, and injustice, but he also called for unity, for all races to walk together, hand in hand, toward freedom. He believed in soul force, not physical force, in peace, not hate. His words moved hearts, changed minds, and helped change the world. That dream still matters. That dream still lives.